Hey, let's put down the camera. Come over here. So, today's gonna be a different video. We're driving the Craftsman, not a sponsor, by the ways.
No sponsors are going to be sponsored in this video.
Yeah,
That's also not a sponsor.
we're gonna show you the basics of the engine, how you start it, what there is on it, all of that. We're also gonna show you his pet frog over here. No, not a pig. It's a frog. But yeah, if you want to go over there, he's gonna be the cameraman too on this.
Frog.
Yeah, there he is.
Frog.
Was it Hamilton?
Hamilton. Frog the Hamilton.
So no, you're fine. Anyways, that's his pet frog. Oh my god! Now we have to restart. Actually, no, we're not gonna restart. This is our second video. Anyways,
I wish I could go in there.
okay. If you would come over here, I gotta check the fuel, obviously, and make sure we're at least at half a tank. I think we are. If I can open this.
I think Hamilton would be a better driver at this tractor than you.
Hold on, guys. All right, guys, we're in a whole different location.
We moved off camera.
Yeah, we couldn't be with my cousin.
Don't worry over there. That's
Okay,
we were definitely not over there.
We gotta check this fuel right here.
You could also see it trickling right there.
Is it? I hope not. Is it actually dripping?
No, not dripping. I said like moving.
Oh yeah. You got me scared, man. I was like, say, this is a brand new fuel tank. So as you can see, it's above half a tank actually. It's usually at half a tank. So I feel so bad because my nose is stuffy right now. So let's check the air filter. Make sure that's okay.
This takes like a bunch of bits and stuff.
Yeah, it takes about 4 or 5, one of those two.
Probably.
That's number 2. Okay.
3.
This is number 3. This little screw right here. This little threaded rubber piece. God dang, my nose is so stuffy. You guys hear that, right? Okay, number 3. I almost said 4. Okay.
See all these tiny bits.
Anyways, we got this dusty, buddy, old. Look at that! Look at all that dust coming. Oh wait, you probably can't see it on camera.
Dust is almost everywhere.
Yeah.
Oh, see? It's coming. They can't see it.
Yeah, but you can. My cameraman knows.
It has a lot
So yeah,
of
there's
dust.
4 pieces to this. Really. It gets tight on there. Only tighten these screws hand tight. Because if you do anything else, you'll start bending this right here, which you don't want to do really. It'll mess up your whole carburetor. It won't fit properly. You're gonna have to buy a brand new carburetor.
How much would that cost?
About $50 if you're talking about brand new. Well, yeah, it's gonna be $50 to $60.
Yeah, guys,
But if you
don't
want
mess
an
that
older one that still works and it's not bent up and out of shape and everything, go ahead, man. Those things are like $10 or $15 just for used. But also, you can buy some, I think, at Tractor Supply. I believe you can find like a few there. They're like $20 or $30. But yeah. Anyways, if you come over here, but if you look at this has. So I just got gloves on. We're gonna head back to the tractor to check the oil because I don't like getting oil on my hands. It's really annoying to clean off. So you know
all the big dingy things
Yeah.
we have to do in life.
Alright, let's check the oil now. Right here.
Because if you get oil all over your hands, it's hard to get off sometimes.
It really is. Unless you have like special soap.
Soap.
So right here is that caution level. so that's not very good. We're above the caution level, or it's just because I was running this thing earlier. So, yeah. Okay. Anyways.
After we're done with this, yes, we are going to drive it.
Yeah, we're gonna drive it here in a second.
I'm not going to drive it. He's going to drive it.
Yeah. He's the cameraman for that right now.
Yeah. And I'm probably not allowed to drive that thing, so.
No. Anyways, if you come over here, though.
You don't want me to be your driver. No.
Right here, here's the fuel valve. Wait, if you come up here, that's the fuel valve. But, just so you know, it makes it super obvious by saying, use fuel valve as you get on the tractor. That's how you know to use it. Use fuel valve.
It's hard to see. Oh, no, I can.
But yeah, that's
Use it.
yeah, use it.
Or else you're going to die.
Anyways,
That's family friendly.
I think we're gonna get started to driving. I'm gonna take a restroom break.
Just to let you know.
Take a restroom break. I'm going to take a restroom break right behind the house. And see you guys in a minute.
We're probably going to mow this whole thing, just to let you know.
Yeah, we're gonna finish up that small square in there. And I think we're actually going to cut this. And if it's dry enough down there by that hoop, by that soccer goal, we're gonna cut that as long as I have enough gas. But if I run out, then I run out.
Okay.
So I'll take that restroom break. Anyways, sorry guys, I forgot one more thing. This crack right here is society. Okay, calm down. Anyways, this crack right here is from in the winter when the seat was frozen. So I went to go cold start the thing. Cause it for you guys, for you
Sorry.
for you tractor guys, you know how cold starts sound. You love to hear that sound of your engine turn on. So, yeah, you love that. You know, I know all the tractor guys out there love that. But this seat is from when I sat on it, and it was frozen. I didn't know. And all I heard was crunch. I looked at my butt. It's broken. But yeah, we're gonna get to the cutting stuff.
What kind of moron looks at their butt?
Anyways, we're gonna get to the cutting stuff. See you guys in a second. Okay. Anyways, we're gonna get it started. You guys wanna turn on your phone volume? This is gonna be loud unless my mic sucks on my phone. It's gonna be loud.
It's probably gonna suck.
Probably. I really needed to get microphones off of Amazon. Not a sponsor. Say some sort of.
How is it a sponsor? It's Amazon.
It's a sponsor, people. But anyway,
No.
we're gonna get this thing started. I was running it just a second ago. That's why all this is cut already.
You could see the tracks of the grass.
Yeah, you can see all that. That's really thick grass and this.
And just to
lawnmower-
let you guys know, I was standing right here and I fell off like 10 times.
Yeah, he fell off like a million times. But well,
And one time,
that was loud.
and one time, I was over there and Sebby was going fast, and I'm like, "Hold up, man!" I somehow got on, but I was chasing after
Yeah,
it.
and then I like turned really tight, and he just went. Whoa.
Yeah.
But anyways, we're gonna turn this boy on, girl, boy, whatever. We're gonna turn it,
We don't care about genders.
Yeah, actually, no, we do.
Oh.
Black Lives Matter.
Not that. We're talking about tractor stuff. It looks like a boy though, because it's
tractors
green.
matter. Okay, anyways, we're gonna get it started right now. So turn down your phone volumes, unless you think okay.
You mean turn down your
or
phone.
unless you're wearing headsets, you're fine.
If you're wearing headsets and your thing is at full volume, you better be careful.
Turn it down like 2 notches. That's it.
But if you're a psychopath, then you're probably just going to, put on headphones and turn it all the way up.
But yeah, we're gonna get it started right now in 3, 2, 1.
Ah!
Oh, it's running right now, and it is really loud. Now, it's a brand new engine, so it's louder.
Like you can barely hear us.
Yeah, probably. So we're gonna get that car right there, that's so square.
ultimate clutch.
Yeah. This right here, this is set. This is disengaged. So this controls the blades down here. Now, when it gets clogged up, I stop, do this, and it's okay by then. But we're gonna get it running and see
Start cutting.
now let's get it cutting.
Let's get to revving. As you can see, grass is coming out from grass being cut. And you should really get this thing. This thing works perfectly.
Yeah, I got this review online.
This is great for like 10-year-olds and 9-year-olds. Like this is probably a dream thing right You still got a bunch of grass to cut. And
I'll see you when the grass is done, and I'll record putting all of that right there. If you go along that side, there's a bunch of grass.
probably already saw it when we were over there.
Yeah.
So
Already saw it when we walked past.
we will be right back.
We just finished this field. I think we're good on gas. I think we're about probably half a tank.
Check on the gas again, people.
Oh, we gotta check the gas. All right, yeah, we're at half a tank. We're okay. So first, actually, we're gonna cut by the bowl.
Oh my goodness!
But anyways, we're gonna cut by the goal. We're gonna cut by the goal first, and then we're gonna cut by the house.
This is perfect for people that
Yeah, this is perfect for
not a sponsor.
No, definitely not sponsored, but this is perfect. It's actually kind of light. Now, whoever adults are watching, if I can pick this up, you can pick it up. It's a great lawnmower for you to have. I'm not gonna lie. I love Craftsman. They always make smaller tractors and lawnmowers and all that. This is a great lawnmower for somebody who's starting to drive lawnmowers. Right here.
Can I get one?
Do you have $300?
I got $4,000 in my bank account.
Okay, anyways, we're not talking about that right now.
We're not talking about money. Don't rob my bank account.
As you can see right here, you have the speeds 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5.
And 10.
You have neutral. You have neutral. You have neutral. Then you have reverse. And there's gonna be a ball right here. I lost mine somehow. It fell off while I was cutting the grass a few years ago.
Oh.
But see, you have right here. Okay, well, first gear's right there. And then you put it, not gear, speed, sorry. And then there's second speed. There's third. Oh my god. There's 4 and 5. These two aren't very different. It just gives you more power, really. It just gives you more power when you're trying to drive.
This is perfect if people want to just stand here.
Yeah. It's a
I'm not going to stand there because I'm probably going to fall. I have nothing to hold on to.
He's just kind of holding it.
I'm going to die.
And it's a really strong little tractor. I'm not gonna say anything bad about this because I have no regrets on this so far. To be honest, it's been a very good tractor ever since I got it, which was 2 years ago. Never showed it on YouTube, and I've been recording for about 1 year. But this is a brand new engine, 13.5 horsepower.
And here's the thing, he never told his mom or his brothers about this.
Until I got it, yeah.
Yeah.
And then you have the bridge-in station, which it's a 13.5 IC gold. That's the engine. Don't touch the exhaust. I was about to grab that. I was literally about to go. That's how smart I am, guys. Okay.
Yeah, really smart.
So,
We might put it over.
we're gonna go down there towards the ghost. Ghost. Oh. See, you guys see how smart I am? That's what I get for making YouTube videos.
To the ghost.
But anyways, like and subscribe. We're gonna go down there. Right.
To the ghost.
Cut it. I'm sorry, guys. We had to cut it real quick. Cut it out. Don't pause it. I swear to God.
I paused it.
Oh. He's not gonna pause it. I wanna let you guys see.
Definitely not gonna pause it. Yeah.
I need a brand new camera. I'm just joking. But we're gonna get it started and head down there.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna beat him there. I'm gonna beat this guy. Look at him, he's stuck. Look at him. Look at him. Ah! bunch of sticks and twigs everywhere. He wants to be very careful because one of these might hurt his tractor, but it's okay. He got this under control. He has had this for more than a year, so I think. But I think he said 2 years, so yeah. Remember, we have to cut all of this. All of it if the gas can still run. All of it. Sammy, are we going to cut inside the soccer goal? Yeah. We're going to cut inside the soccer goal as well. Goal! Okay, that's a home run. Home run, yeah, definitely a home run. definitely know my sports a lot. Definitely. All that grass coming out, all of it. Just to lift it up, all the grass come out. All of that grass come out. Whoa, you know what? Now it's ready to just regular beyond the dirt. Let me see. All of that could have hurt him. His tractor if it actually went into the blade. Thumbs up for effort. This feels nice to drive. This is what everything on mower. I don't want to deal with it. It won't do because I don't walk over. You could drive this anywhere. You can literally drive this thing anywhere you want. Basically, as long as you have the fuel, you can. Crack the stick and with his blade, it can take it.